Ho, 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 everybody. My name is Victor with Generation Kia, and I'm here to show you why I believe the Kia Sorento S model would be a great replacement for Santa's sleigh and your vehicle this holiday. Now, the Sorento is equipped with an all-wheel drive package, which is equipped with 5 different modes: Eco, Normal, Sport, Smart, and most importantly, Snow mode, getting you and Santa out of those snowy situations and where you need to be these holidays. I know you're doing a lot of shopping and Santa has a lot of presents to deliver, which means you guys both need a lot of cargo space. The Kia Sorento's got you covered. With one pull of a lever and one push of a button, you get access to 75.5 cubic feet of cargo space. Now that's a lot of presents. I'm sure you're on the good list this year, so now let's get you into the driver's seat of a Sorento this holiday. Come take a test drive with me and my team down at Generation Kia. Here at Generation Kia, we've been serving Long Island for generations.